Here we will write a Python program to find factorial of a number using function. So first we'll open the IDLE, then we'll add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. First we'll define function factorial with def keyword and with one parameter. Then we will define one variable fact which is initialized with 1, and we will use while loop. So while x greater than 0, we will multiply factorial equal to, that is fact equal to fact into x, and we will decrement x, and then we will print the factorial as fact. Then we will accept number from the user. So n equal to in input enter number, and we will call the function factorial, and we will pass n as a parameter. Then we will save it as factorial function, and we will execute it. I will enter number 4. It will print factorial of a number